fuck them. Watch them get killed.
I don't know, I can't see.
They're in the window. They're in the window. Right there. Where? There's a window and there's light.
Yo, call your hit. Come on.
And shot's so fucking skinny. Here, you can turn watch on the side. There's a guy sitting there now.
He's got a light. I can't hit him. He's out. Move up. Guys, the light's still over there.
One of you keep the side pinned down.
All right, all right. Come on. Shit. Like, guys, the light's still there.
Still in that window, Adam.
Yeah, I know. can't.
Guys still that window?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, that guy's still in that window.
Austin, where you at?
Austin's out, I think. Austin, come on! All right. Wait, Zach, wait. That guy in the window.
Down low. Come in the window. Ready?
Go.
Go.
Hey, do we have anybody on the other side? We need more over there. Where's Austin? Zach! Oh shit!
Coming out.
Sorry about that. Skyler, where was that guy?
That back corner, very back corner.
Adam, you want to run around the other side? Wait, that's Zach. Zach, what do you see? Friendly, wait! Friendly! Hey, wait! Hey! Friendly!
That side.
Who is that?
What?
You're like a thunder beam. Hey, they're in that room!
Blue building? Is blue building a friendly?
Hey, they're all in that room, all in the safe room!
Holy shit! Anybody else here?
I see the hostage, I don't, wait.
Guys, we gotta clear it out. Come on. Yeah, go. Clear it up.
I gotta reform, bro.
Clear! Clear! Clear!
No fight.
Friendly? White.